Everybody, this is Ignite the Inferno. And welcome to a Gunpla Review. Here we have my cousins. What's he called again? Higher Than Sky Double Diver. So, as you can see here, well, you can't really see properly because of the lighting. It has sky blue type colors, lighter than the usual dark blue that Diver has, because I don't know what form this is, but hey, they use it in anime. Even though, yep, that fell, so it's a common thing. So I'm gonna show you the articulation first because I am not. Yep, okay, everything fell. Good for you. Now I'm just gonna keep on talking because I am unable to edit my videos, and you know that at least how I do things. Well, let's start off by the head. The head goes. Wait. Okay. Kapit palit. The head goes. Focus, please. There we go. The head goes up that far, down that far, side to side. The head can go 360, but why would a Gundam do that? Shoulders. Let's move the shoulder GN drives away first, and remove the backpack fully. Can go 360. It's a ball joint here with a butterfly joint, so it can go forward. The arm can go this high. It is double jointed. It can go over 90, I guess. Yeah. Wiping. The waist can go 360. Oh wait, maybe it's unable. It is able to do so. Why can't it rotate the other way? It can rotate here. Okay, that's weird. Front skirts are separated, as you can see here. You can pop it back in very easily. You can also pop it out very easily. The legs can go up that high. Back skirts doesn't move, so it goes back that far. The legs are double jointed, moving part by the knee, and pivot by the legs. Very big pivot since it is a double O kit. And this is from the articulation, I guess. Yep, that is for another thing. So let's start with weapons, I guess. They're the nearest one. The accessories. Here are the accessories. I put them here. As you can see, it includes a stand, effect parts, 2 beam sabers, beam saber, beam sword, beam rifle, and the gun. Ano may effect parts dali? I'm sorry about that. I am not well prepared since this is my Gunpla. But all Gunplas are the same. They are masterpieces of our lives. Let's start with the... Yep, you can stand. Let's start with the beam sword. Yep, okay. Clip right here. Extend it right there. Well, his is kind of loose, but it can be remedied by this. Just placing it here, locking it in place. I guess I got it inverted. Yeah, here we go. Oh, okay, there it is. There we go. Yep, it's a big ass sword. He can hold it in his right arm. But I'll do that after I do this. The cannon. Technically, his weapons are based off Destinies, and the main body is from Double O Gundam. This part right here, at the back where the weapons plug in, can rotate like so, and Double O can hold the weapons here. Can extend this and he will hold it like, not like that though, but yeah, you can hold it like that, just like how Destiny holds his weapons. Big ass sword, big ass whatever. Sorry for the background noise. So let's flip this back in place. Where do I? Yep, okay, there we go. And plug it where it should be, which is here, the back. See that? You see that? It's a peg hole right there. It clicks in place. The sword though is quite loose. I don't know if it's the peg or if it's the hole. Either way, it clicked in. Okay, never mind. The beam rifle. This, on the other hand, can be placed in the back by flipping this and plugging in the back. Also, there's a moving part here, so you can hold it like that, or you can just place it down like it's a magazine or something, which can be plugged right over here. So that, and it goes there and here. Well, Double O has some standing issues because of the huge weapons. Now I'm gonna take the effect parts and put them in the wings. Whoop! I can catch you. Okay. The wings extend like this. And see this hole that manages to get open by flipping it open, and there's a peg right here in the effect part. It goes right there. My arms are shaking, knees weak, mom spaghetti. There we go. And same to the other part. Okay. I don't. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, nice effect parts. This simulates Destiny's wings, and now he is back heavy. In this form, usually you unplug his hand. This forearm armor. I don't want to stress the Gunpla with. So plug it out. Two pegs here. If it's in this mode, extend it here like how Burning a God Gundam and Shining. Now it's forward. Extra claw. Here we can add the effect parts for these effect parts. The shield or for the legs. These are knee guards, or you can put it on the hand like that, on the legs, which he did use to fire the beam kicks, I guess, like that. Shields or beams. The detail of this kit is quite awesome. See this crack from the anime? I don't want to explain it. Watch it. And here we have Double O Sky. Higher than Sky. Overall, this kit is quite good. You should buy it. I know it's an old kit for you, some of you guys, because this channel is quite new, and I'm having a hard time making him stand, and I don't want to make him fall. Okay, he's standing right now. Okay. Double O Sky. Yep, I'm still not good at reviewing, but in time I'll be better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.